Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make pasta at home from scratch, just like they make it in Italy. If you ever wonder about how to make homemade pasta, how to make a homemade pasta sauce, or even how to make homemade ravioli, you are in the right place. You don't need fancy equipment or chef training, just a little patience and passion. And trust me, once you learn how to make pasta dough by hand, you never go back to store-bought again. So here's a little story. The first time I ever made homemade pasta, it was completely disastrous. The dough stuck to the counter, my noodles were all stuck together, and my kitchen was so messy it looked like a bazaar had moved through. But after a few tries, I figured out the secret: simplicity and patience. Today, I'll be sharing those secrets with you, the same ones Italians have been passing down for generations. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. To produce perfect fresh pasta, you require only 3 ingredients: flour, eggs, and a little salt. That's it. Here's how to make pasta dough the traditional way. 1. Start with 2 cups of flour or all-purpose flour. Create a small volcano shape on your counter. 2nd, crack in 3 large eggs and add a pinch of salt. 3rd, with a fork, beat the eggs gently and slowly pull through the flour in from the edges. 4th, when it starts to hold together, knead the dough for about 10 minutes or so until smooth and elastic. This is how you make homemade pasta that's silky, chewy, and genuinely authentic. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now, let's roll out our dough. You can use a pasta machine or plain rolling pin. Number 1. Dust your surface with flour. 2nd, press out the dough, then roll it thin. You should be able to see your hand through it. 3rd, now you can cut into your favorite shapes, spaghetti, or even homemade ravioli. This is how to make homemade spaghetti. Just slice thin, long pieces. Sprinkle a bit of flour over them so they don't stick. If you're wondering how do you try dry homemade pasta, just suspend the noodles over a rack or even on a hanger for about 30 minutes. You can store them for a few days or cook them right away. Here's how to cook homemade pasta. Get a large pot of salted water boiling, like the sea as the Italians put it. Fresh pasta cooks a lot faster than dry, typically 2 to 3 minutes tops. Perfect. Still soft but with a bit of firmness in the center, authentic. Now let's create an irresistible sauce, a traditional Italian pasta dish that everyone loves. Bolognese, a slow-cooked meat sauce straight from Bolognese. Steps: in a pan, heat olive oil, then add finely chopped onion, carrot, and celery. 2nd, add minced beef and pork and cook until brown. 3rd, pour in a splash of red wine, let it simmer down. 4th, add crushed tomatoes, salt, pepper, and a splash of milk. Simmer it for at least an hour. This is how to make a homemade pasta sauce that's hearty, rich, and full of flavor. This is also how to make homemade spaghetti sauce. Slow, uncomplicated, and deliciously good. You can even call how to make spaghetti sauce because it's the same authentic Italian process. Toast your pasta into the sauce. Don't just pour the sauce on top. Let it soup up that flavor. And that's it. You just learn how to cook pasta at home, the Italian way. Homemade pasta, fresh dough, slow-cooked Bolognese. It doesn't get better than this. If you guys like this video, subscribe down below and tell me, what's your favorite pasta dish? Are you a spaghetti? Ravioli? I might just make a video on how you make homemade spaghetti next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you never miss more delicious recipe and traditional Italian pasta dishes. Thanks for watching, and remember, the pasta is one that makes yourself that tastes the best.